Hi, everyone. Welcome to our webinar for the month. Today, we're going to talk about how to create digital receipts with UniPDF for 𝐜𝐸 documentation. So today, Alib is going to join us. He's our full stack developer. So he's the genius here. My name is Maria. I am the Chief Operations Officer here at UniDoc, and I'm going to introduce you to our company, and then I'm going to lead you to Alip, who's going to show you around everything for the implementation side. So let's go ahead and start talking a little bit about the services that we offer. So just so you know, guys, you do have the opportunity to get a 14-day free trial if you work for a company. If you are an SMB or an enterprise company, we do offer you a 14-day free trial that you can get. So you test out the product. If you're not, then we also offer you a pay-go service where you can get the chance to check out our library and also test out the product to see if it's going to help you out with anything you need. So let's start with the services that we have. So we offer UniPDF. What is UniPDF? This is a library package in Go that manages any type of PDF documentation. That includes, reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extractions, and many other things that you can do. We do also offer UniOffice, which is also a library package that supports NEMS Office document management. So this includes, but it's not limited to document conversion, property modification, filling out forms, creating presentations, working with any Excel sheets, and many other things that you get to do. There's also a package for UniSuite, which basically combines anything that you can do from PDF and Office. So if you're looking for something that allows you to use both, then this type of package is the best option. It can give you access to any of the library options from PDF and Office at a very affordable price. So these are the options that we offer. As I was saying, you get to apply for that free trial, or you can use our UniCloud so that you guys can see how it works. Now, let's jump into why we advise you to use our UniPDF library. So the performance, it's built using pure Go language. Now, we have template features, XML like language to process your templates. And the template features basically provides a new way of building your PDF files using the components available in the UniPDF creator package. So this aim of templates is to make creating complex layouts a lot easier, faster, and by writing less codes, so that you guys can get advantage of fasting. If no new data is required, the template files can be modified without the need to rebuild the application. Now I'm just going to go quickly to the requirements so that then Alip can jump into the demonstration. So for this demonstration, if you guys want to replicate, you will require Go programming languages installed. And for this, we recommend you to use minimum Go V1 version 1.18. Then like optional, you get to have to install Git on your computer, and then you have to use our UniDoc offline license or our UniCloud API key, and then you get to receive the document this time. So I'm going to pass it over to Alip so that he can explain to you guys how it works. Go ahead, Alip.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. So yeah, basically here we do use simple receipt design, as you can see. Basically, receipt is something that user got after paid a service or products. So yeah, basically we really use a simple receipt here in the design. As you can see, we had UniDoc logo and then some title there, and then date of payment, the customer, and the description about the service and the amount. And yeah, moving on to next slide. So yeah, basically regarding the code example, all our example can be seen on our UniPDF example repository on GitHub. And yeah, you can clone by using git clone. You can use HTTP mode or SSH mode. Here is our repository. So basically our complete source code stored here. It's having a various example of the templates usage. And yeah, basically everything about the UniPDF usage there.
Sorry, guys, my internet is not working good today. Okay.
So yeah, basically.
Is it good there, Olive? You can see it here?
Yeah, it's good on my side. So yeah, basically if you have, as mentioned before, git installer will be good. So you can clone it by git clone. You can use HTTP modes or SSH mode. So that you can just go to the templates directory and then go to reset directory. And yeah, basically our example can be run if you already have offline license or Unicloud APK. So yeah, you can just go to the receipt directory. And yeah, moving on to next slide. So yeah, basically here's the structure of the template directory. You will see receipt, content directory, and then templates directory. And then there is a res directory also. It stores the logo, main templates. And then pdf underscore receipt.go is our Golang main function there. And UniPDF receipt.pdf is the final result. So yeah, moving on to next slide. So yeah, basically the templates directory store the .tpl file, which is our XML like language, the extension. So yeah, and the rest directory store all the static file like image, font, and then if you need icon, you can put it there. And then there is receipt.json. It is the whole data regarding the payment information and some customer information there, and then the service also or the products. And yeah, inside the pdf underscore receipt.go, we call the main.template file and process it using UniPDF inside the file inside the rest directory and the receipt.json. We read it and then supply the data from receipt.json to our main template file. And then if you run the code, you will get the output as a PDF file. And yeah, if you could, Maria, can see the link to pdfreceipt.co.
Okay, perfect. We had some people saying that it was hard to hear you. I'm not sure if it's your connection, but if you guys have any questions right now, you could go ahead and ask. Alib is open to answer those questions. Also, basically, when we'll be sharing all this documentation and access to all of this information. As I was saying, we can share that templates and that you guys can access the repository. And so we will be sharing all of this. But if you have any questions right now, please feel free to ask them. And Ali will be glad to answer those. Okay. We have some Q&A right here. Just one question. Sorry, everyone. It looks like Teams is also being affected by that Microsoft problem. So I'm having problems to load up everything. I have some questions, but it's not loading up. Not hearing anything from Alib. Yes, I think it's muted. Oh, it's just, yeah. Okay, well, trying to get your questions here. Well, I think he's having a little problem. Alib, can you hear us? I think you're muted.
Yeah.
Not sure if you're.
Hello.
Okay, well, maybe if you can turn off your camera, it'll be a lot better. Yeah, some people were saying that it was hard to hear you.
Hello.
Okay. Are you able to pull up the Q&A and see if someone had a question? Because I think someone was asking something on it, but I'm not able to pull it up. Not sure what is happening on it, but it looks like someone had a question.
Yeah. The question is, does UniPDF support batch processing for digital receipt generation? So yeah, basically the batch processing for digital receipt generation, as we are using Go, I think if you are having knowledge on Golang, you can use or teach the advantage of the coroutines, so you can process it multiple generation add-ons, or if it's batch generation, it is, yeah, for sure it is supported, but you need to make your code trigger or run the coroutine. So yeah, that's the answer.
Okay, perfect. There is a question for Hal. Okay, let me unmute yourself and hello, Mike. Oh my God. Sure, why it's not letting me. Okay, I think you can unmute yourself, Hale, Garrison.
What file format can UniPDF convert into digital receipt? So yeah, basically if you are using our template feature, it is using the .tpl extension there, or you can just make it from pure code or pure Golang code using our UniPDF, and then yeah, tune the code like calling some styled paragraph there, and then substitute some variable with the real value, and then the final output will be the PDF file. So basically it's not converting actually. But if you are having the UniSuite package, you can convert the Microsoft Office file, the 𝐜𝐨𝐸 to the PDF. So yeah, hope that's answer your question, Hale.
Okay, perfect. So those questions were coming from James and Hayo. Would you get to answer that? Yes. Yes, we did. Okay, perfect. Anyone else had a question? I know, Hale, you have your hands raised. I'm not sure if you had any other question. You can unmute yourself if you want to. Yeah, that's all good. Okay, perfect. Well, as I was mentioning before, we are going to be sharing all of this documentation with y'all, so you guys get to see it. And we will also share any other information you can always get at and support at uni.io. Thanks so much, everyone, for joining us, and we'll see you all on our next webinar. Bye.
Bye.